Next, we need to put an outlet pipe on this. This is a chunk of 3-inch. I think it's actually electrical conduit. I got a bunch of scraps left over from a construction site, and we'll see how that seems to fit just about right. Now, I actually have a bunch of angle brackets that I've collected, but this one, I don't think, the holes, the pre-drilled holes aren't really in the right place. But I have some little oddball ones, which I don't know if this was from a lightweight, some hardware from hanging up like little curtains or something. I save the hardware from stuff because it comes in handy. I think this will actually, let's see if we can see it here. Yeah, I think that's actually going to have this hole right here be just in the right spot, but it's too small. I'm going to have to drill that out to fit the screws that are here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm not going to film that though. All right, now I only got 3 of these. I'm going to go ahead and screw them on here and see how it works. Hopefully that'll be enough. If not, I might be able to cobble some other small thing together. There. Oh, wow, well, they're just barely big enough. Just didn't check drilled a hole in the wood to check the right size, but I guess it didn't. Right, let's see. Actually, it looks like it's gonna. I'm gonna have to use some kind of silicone to seal it up anyway. So we'll see. It looks like I think it would be best if I did have one more. Maybe I can. I'm just kind of thinking maybe I can take one of these and go ahead and drill it out. Well, yeah, do it. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. See, I found this in my little box of brackets here. This will work perfect. I can slide it and make it fit. I'll just go ahead and cut it off here, and or maybe even cut it off here, and I already have a hole. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Hey, I'm not OCD. All right, was able to pick out a few more little short stubby screws. These are thicker, bigger screws than the others. Hook that thing on there, and it'll not sit down on there, fit here, have a gap there. I'm going to probably just shove a little washer under there just so I get a tight fit, and then I'm going to seal around there with some silicone, caulk. So let's, I think I'm going to need to drill these holes out here because they're a little bit small. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and mark and drill the holes for the smaller size holes for the screws. All right, had my camera in the wrong position. Gone ahead and put here and marked the hole for screw right here, so I can let's see, I can hold it in place with one. I think that's too small a hole for that screw. Anyway, let's try it for this one. I don't know why I'm doing this. That. Hole needs to be a little bit bigger. These are the same size. Yeah. Let's just go with this one. Let's make sure we still have a little bit of... Oh, that didn't look right. what I needed was a 1/8 bit, and I had to scrounge around to find one. I use 1/8 a lot for actually these type of screw sizes, and they end up, but they also get broken because they get used the most, and I need to get another pack of them next time I have my horrible fright. Happened to luckily found one. So anyway, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. There. Yep, there we go. Now, oop. Jeez. Gotta be careful with this metal. I need to drill the oversize. I think that'll do. So I think I'll take it off and put it over in the vise and drill it. Okay, got all these holes drilled out larger. I'm gonna go ahead and get these other screws in. Go ahead and get it started with a regular screwdriver. All right, there it is. On there pretty solid. I haven't sealed it up yet, but we'll see how it goes. Here's the Now, isn't that just gorgeous? Well, I'm going to go ahead and try to hook it up to the table saw now and just give it a trial run. Well, now to business. Here's the shop vac hose. I would like to make this as short as possible, but right now I just want to see the thing work. Goes in there now. Now that doesn't. There we go. See, will it actually turn on? Probably should have checked that, because who knows? Maybe it's so old it. All right. Now I can grab a piece of wood, and it does. Yeah. Actually, let me get my ear and eye protection. Okay, got ear and eye protection now. Got a scrap board and push stick. Okay, we got some here, but I guess maybe I should have a camera on that.